Good day, Mom. My name is Russell John Sierra Capente, and I'm here to report about standard error. Standard error is a statistical tool that is used to measure the error margin that can happen in different experiments, or so I say, repeated experiments. Here is the formula for the standard error. This is the formula for the standard error of the mean. And finally, this is the standard error of estimate formula. But for now, let's focus on the standard error. Here's the step-by-step guide on how to calculate standard error, it is explanatory. You can take your time here. For now, let's just give you an example after I discuss about how to calculate. The n is the amount of measurements, and you need to determine the sample mean. Once you determine the n and the sample mean, you need to determine how much each measurement varies. Once you've done all that, square all the deviation. Once you've done that, step 4, divide the sum from step 3 by 1 less than the total number of measurements, or the n minus 1. Then, take the square root of the obtained number. Step 5, take the square root of the obtained number, which is the standard deviation. Finally, you need to obtain by the square root the number of the standard, then estimate. For now that I have explained, let's just go through the example to understand it more. Here's the example of a standard error The result of the experiment is the 5, 10, 12, 15, 20, which is the population is 5. Solution is given is that we need to find the mean, which is each of the results and divided by the population, which is 10.5. Once you've done that, we need to do the summation of S. Here is how you get S. Once we get that, we have 5.35. Now we apply the formula, which is the S divided by square root of n, which will result 2.39. The error margin, or the standard error, is 2.39. And that's how you solve standard error. So that is all. Thank you for listening.